In this video, you'll learn how to create and use a Web3 wallet on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functioning wallet that allows you to manage your cryptocurrency securely. Begin by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the wallet section, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. In this area, you will see various options related to your account and assets. Next, look for the option labeled Web3 Wallet. Tap on this option to proceed. You will then be presented with a prompt to create a new wallet. Select Create Wallet to initiate the wallet setup process. At this point, you will need to set a secure password that meets the app's requirements. Ensure that this password is memorable yet difficult for others to guess. After entering your password, confirm the wallet creation. The app will provide feedback indicating that your wallet has been successfully created. This confirmation is essential to ensure that you have completed this step correctly before moving on. Now that your wallet is created, the next crucial step is to back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is displayed on the screen, and it is vital that you write it down. Store this recovery phrase in a safe, offline location, as it is your only means to recover your wallet if you lose access. Once you have securely noted the phrase, the app will prompt you to confirm that you have backed it up. It is important not to skip this step, as losing this phrase could result in permanent loss of access to your wallet. With your Web3 wallet set up and backed up, you can now begin using it. This wallet allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies, as well as connect to decentralized applications. When you perform transactions, be sure to approve them within the wallet interface. Regularly monitor your wallet activity to keep track of your assets and transactions. This vigilance is important for maintaining security and awareness of your financial situation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.